Okay, today I want to show you this super cool, maybe you even want to call it an everyday carry flashlight. But anyway, I got this. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me. I think it's super cool. It's super bright. It's got 3 modes on it. Push this on and you've got a really bright flashlight. And then you've got a double clip here on the back. If you wanted to clip it this way or this way, it'll clip. That's so bright I gotta turn that off. And then you turn this on. Woo! You see that's really bright. You just push the buttons and hold them to get it to come on, and then that is a UV. So you can check for stains on your carpet, things like that. But anyway, it's also got a USB-C connector here, so I think you could like charge your phone or charge your using the battery in it to charge it. And then there's a little port here where you plug this cable in to recharge the battery itself. And then when I turned it on, this shows I've got 3 out of 4 power left in it, so I've been using it quite a bit yesterday on my truck. But I'm super excited about this heavy duty metal. I'm really gonna like this.